So if you have the Samsung S24 and you're looking for a really nice heavy duty rugged case, check out this one from SUPCASE. It's the Unicorn Beetle Pro. For one, you have all these components here. You can use just your own screen protector, or you can use the one that they have, which is really nice, but we'll set that up as well. With the screen protector on it, still works with the fingerprint scanner. All of the touch is still the same. The case is really strong, it's really durable, and you can see that it's got really good edges, so if you do drop it, it's got padding, it's gonna protect it. It's got microphone holes, it's got all the holes for the cameras, and the light also has a nice little open port for your USB-C charging, or if you have any wrist straps, you can use this right there, which is really nice. All the buttons are on here, feel really nice. I do love that design, that looks really sleek. And on the back, I mean, you got like a hard case, but also you can pop this thing out right here. Now you have a stand, so you can stand this thing up, you can stand it sideways. If you're gonna watch any videos, it's such a nice way to do that, and it is quality made. The whole thing is very quality made. You can hear it like pop into place, and yeah, even it's got little airbags for if it drops like that, it's gonna protect it. So really nice. Now, the other thing that's cool is that it comes with this little case that also has a clamp on it. So they recommend you put it this way if you want to carry it around on your belt. So you put the screen in first. If you're like in a construction area and you're somewhere where, you know, something can easily hit and damage your screen, well, this is going to be a nice way to protect that. You can wear this on your belt. So all in all, really solid case, really protective. You can see how it's going to be a great case for you if you're doing something where you want to protect it really well. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.